Hey guys, hopefully all doing good. It's me, Mishap again, and in this video I'm gonna be taking you guys on a journey with me as I went to visit the Hong Kong Lantau Island for the first time. I have actually never visited the islands before, but I actually met a new friend who's gonna be my tour guide for the coming day as I decided to go and check out the island. Even though it was gonna be a long journey, I was supposed to use the train, and after getting off the train, I was supposed to use the other mode of transport, which is like the ferry, to take me to the final destination. It was quite a journey of walking after getting off the MTR. I had to figure out like the direction to get to the ferry station, even though it was like a 7 minutes walk from the central train station. And then I just had to follow the directions and also try to move as quick as I could. The weather on this night wasn't so cool because it was kind of misty, raining, and it was freezing cold. And I was actually not sure of what I was gonna be expecting in my final destination after arriving in the island. So I didn't even like maybe pick up some warm clothes or anything. I just wore like trousers with the windbreaker, even though I was actually freezing because I think I didn't check on the weather forecast before going outside. But nevertheless, that didn't stop me from going on this trip to go and visit the island, because I was just so curious. Like I got to the ferry station, which was going to the Lantau Island, and I had to find the right ferry, which was gonna take me to my final destination. It was actually a journey full of curiosity and also consciousness, because I didn't know what I was gonna expect. I had no plans about anything of what was gonna happen or nothing at all. So I hope you guys, you're gonna enjoy the journey which I went on with me. So guys, I'm going to take the ferry. Take the ferry to the island. So upon entering the ferry, this ferry looked so beautiful and so large, even though it didn't have so many people in it, because I think this was more like the first morning trip to the Lantau Islands, and I just had to figure out like the best spot to sit on as I was gonna travel to the island. So the ferry is quite quiet and there was many people, because I think it's the first one the earliest to move the island. But it doesn't matter, let's go. during the journey, I also managed to find a good view of the ocean. It looks so beautiful because I really love the ocean, and I feel like it's great to look at the ocean. Upon my arrival on the islands, I had to figure out like a way to find some shop, or maybe where I could buy my favorite snack, because I was a little bit hungry and I needed to eat something before I figure out like my way. Even though it was so rainy, and I actually didn't know whether it was gonna be possible to tour the islands or not. So due to the bad weather on this day, it was actually maybe gonna affect like a lot of things. After getting some snacks, I decided to go to the McDonald's to sit down. Also was trying to wait for my friend to come and pick me up and enjoy a cup of coffee whilst I was waiting in the place looks so beautiful. Most of them are this place really have a lot of bikes, you know. Like smaller people usually use bicycles as a mode of transport. It gave me a reminder of the streets of China, like where we could rent bikes for transportation from one place to another. I think it is the only place of beauty in Hong Kong where I found like a lot of bikes like this. And it's kind of interesting. I tried to ask like why are there so many bikes here? Also, it's a mode of transport like which people use for moving from the mountain villages to the ferry station. So it was kind of culture shock. But due to the bad weather, I couldn't actually do anything on that day because like my plan was to go mountain climbing, and just decided maybe to go back and come on another day when there's gonna be like some cold weather. So that was me like walking, trying to go to the ferry station so I can head back to where I came from. Thank you for watching the video, guys.
The ride of your life, don't ever stop. Give me your touch, give me your love, give it to me.
Okay, so I'm on the ferry and now I'm gonna be going back. I'm looking at the island.
You're making me land on other side of gravity. Boy, you got me under. Boy, you got me fond of you. Boy, you got me in love. I can't ignore it. I wish you noticed me. I wish you knew the emotion provoked in me. Let me live. Let me live again. I'll take no more from you. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly. You let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it. Gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave me. You got my soul. Oh, you let me fly, you let me go. Oh, now you're gonna see it clearly. Go out on the weekend. You want me, then you leave.